Hello, and welcome to Delightful Inspirations, your go-to channel for uplifting and empowering content. Have you ever found yourself oscillating between feeling like a Zen master and a caffeinated squirrel? It's all about the intricate dance of chemicals in our brain. Picture your brain as a complex, high-tech laboratory. The white-coated scientists? They're your neurons. The experiments? Those are your daily experiences. And the results? Those are your emotions. But instead of concocting potions, this lab is busy producing a cocktail of chemicals, each with its own unique role and effect. We have serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, and cortisol, among others. They're the stars of our brain show, the lead actors in the drama of our emotions. They can make us feel like superheroes or hermits, cheerleaders or alarm systems. And just like in a great stage play, balance among the actors is key to a stellar performance. So, let's meet some of these chemical stars of our brain show. First up, we have our friend serotonin, often called the happy chemical. It's like the brain's own brand of sunshine. Serotonin is the superhero of our story, flying in with its cape fluttering in the wind. When our superhero is soaring high in the sky, our mood is lifted, and we feel on top of the world. But when serotonin's cape is dampened, we might feel a little less invincible. A little-known secret about our superhero is that most of its superpowers are actually brewed right in our gut. So, those butterflies you feel, they're just serotonin getting ready to take flight. Next on the stage, we have dopamine, the reward chemical. Think of dopamine as your personal cheerleader, always ready with a pom-pom shake and a rousing cheer when you accomplish something. Scored a goal? Finished that book you've been reading? Dopamine is there, cheering you on with a rush of satisfaction. But be careful, because too many victory laps and your cheerleader might get a little overzealous. Then, there's oxytocin, the love hormone. Oxytocin is like the host of the best party you've ever been to. Every time you hug someone, bond with a friend, or even pet your dog, oxytocin is there, making sure everyone feels warm, fuzzy, and connected. But if oxytocin decides to take a break, it's like the party's over and the music stopped. Lastly, we can't forget cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol is like the alarm system in your house, alerting you to danger and preparing you to either stand your ground or take flight. It's invaluable when you're facing a real threat, but if it's constantly going off, it's like your house is always on fire. But remember, the key is not just about these chemicals individually, but about how they harmonize together. It's like a beautifully choreographed dance, each chemical moving in sync, influencing our emotions and reactions. The magic happens when all these chemicals dance in perfect harmony, contributing to a balanced and healthy mind. So, let's keep our superheroes flying, cheerleaders cheering, hosts hosting, and alarms alerting, but only when necessary, to maintain the perfect chemical symphony in our brains. Achieving balance in our brain chemistry is like being a DJ at the world's most complicated soundboard. Picture yourself in front of a massive panel of buttons, knobs, and switches, each representing a different brain chemical. Your job as the DJ is to keep the music flowing smoothly, adjusting the levels of each track, or in this case, each chemical, to maintain a harmonic symphony of emotions. Just like a song can lose its rhythm if the bass is too loud or the vocals too soft, our emotional state can falter if our brain chemicals are out of balance. A surplus of dopamine, for instance, might make us feel overexcited, like a song blaring at full volume. On the other hand, a deficiency in serotonin could leave us feeling down, akin to a song playing too quietly to be enjoyed. But it's not just about the highs and lows. It's also about the interplay between different chemicals. For example, an excess of cortisol, our stress hormone, can dampen the effects of serotonin, our happy chemical. This is similar to how a heavy drum beat can drown out a gentle melody, creating a discordant sound. Moreover, just like a DJ has to read the room and adjust the music according to the crowd's mood, our brain chemistry also fluctuates based on our environment, habits, and experiences. Experiencing a loss or going through a stressful period can crank up our cortisol levels, while spending time with loved ones or achieving a goal can boost our dopamine and serotonin levels. Maintaining this intricate balance is a continuous process, a dance that our brain performs every moment of every day. It's a delicate choreography of neurochemical reactions that shape our perceptions, our emotions, and ultimately, our lives. So, how do we maintain this delicate balance? Let's find out. Maintaining this delicate balance is a mix of lifestyle, diet, exercise, and sometimes a bit of professional help. It's like becoming a master chef for your brain, carefully selecting the right ingredients and creating a perfect recipe for balance. Your lifestyle plays a central role. Prioritizing sleep, finding stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation, and fostering positive relationships can help keep your brain in harmony. Your diet is also crucial. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and avocados, or foods high in antioxidants, like blueberries and dark chocolate, can help keep your brain chemicals dancing in sync. Exercise is another key player. Regular physical activity, be it a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a dance-off in your living room, can boost your brain's feel-good chemicals. And sometimes, we might need a bit of professional help to hit the right notes. Don't hesitate to seek advice from a healthcare provider if you feel out of tune. Remember, a balanced brain leads to a balanced life. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep those brain chemicals dancing.